Alright YouTube, I'm looking crazy right now. My hair is a mess. I have my pajamas on still and clearly I have no makeup on. So I'm gonna get ready for the day now. I'm just gonna kind of do my hair, throw a little bit of makeup on. I'm not gonna go all out and do anything crazy, just something to look a little presentable because like I said, I have to go to the store today to get the boys a few things, and that's pretty much the plan so far. So yeah, I'm gonna, like I said, do my laundry, get ready, and then I will see you guys when we are headed to the store. So I'm now ready to go. I just finished my makeup, got dressed. I got the boys dressed. We're getting ready to head out in a minute. I just want to show you guys what I did today. So I just put on a little bit of BB cream. I contoured just a little bit and put a little bit of highlights. And whenever I want to look like I tried, even though I truly didn't, I just put my highlight on my lid and then I put my crease, my contour color into my crease. That's always like my little trick to look like I tried. It's time to go. They're gonna get impatient in a minute. But I'm wearing a little outfit that I found at a thrift store the other day. So I found this shirt. I don't think you guys can see my jeans in the mirror. So, and I got these cute little jeans. So I feel like a cool mom. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm wearing today. So we're gonna get going now. So let's head to the car. Let's go to the car. Close this. Mom life, dirty diaper. I don't even think I've mentioned on my channel yet actually, but we got a second car. What is this? It's a 2014 Honda Pilot. It's heavy. It's a pretty cute mom car. Let me open up the car door so they can climb in. Come here. Let's get inside. Come on, Daniel. Get. Oh, you guys are always falling on my channel. Are you okay? Let me see. Oh, you're all good. Here, let me pick this up. Get inside. Okay, get in your car seat. Go sit down. So we made it home now. The boys are taking their nap. So normally this time of the day, which is mid-afternoon, I'll put them down for their nap between 1 to 3. Or if for some reason we're running behind, they'll sleep 2 to 4. I just always make sure that they take a nap in the middle of the day. I feel like it's still good for them, and I honestly need a break. If if I'm being honest, I think it's very healthy to get a break and not worry about anyone or anything. So I love them, but I always look forward to nap time during the day. Anyways, I ended up not going to the grocery store. We just went into Sam's Club and got a box of diapers, and then I found a Subway on the way home. So I got a sandwich to go in the drive-thru. I'm so thankful for like healthy drive-thrus because I didn't want fast food. But yeah, so I'm actually just gonna get ready to just literally Netflix and chill. Probably watch a TV show. Get, it's hot. Get, it's hot.
You're cool. What the?
So it is now like a little after 8:30. The boys are currently taking their bath over here. I'm gonna finish cleaning them up. I'm gonna get them out, obviously get them dressed, give them some milk. Maybe we'll watch a little bit of cartoons and just kind of relax. It's normally like quiet time, like 8 o'clock and after is quiet time in the house. I try not to rile them up or anything because it is obviously bedtime. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan right now. As you can see, I'm in cozy clothes now. Okay, it's bedtime. You want to tell them, say we did it.
We did it.
And say good night.
Good night.
Okay, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Look at it.
Ezekiel always has a hard time going to bed because, I mean, what child likes bedtime? Let me turn on their sound machine. Here, let's show your YouTube friend something cool. What's that? Millennial Falcon. Good job. All right, I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Sleep good.